What if I told you that you could create a simple ebook this week and start earning from it next week? I'm serious. You do not have to be a designer, a writer, or a genius to create a really profitable ebook. You just need a plan. And so in today's video, I'm going to give you that step-by-step plan so that you can create your ebook and start earning super quickly. Now, if you don't know who I am Shantae, and I help creators to turn their ideas into income by selling their own digital products. I have sold my own digital products super successfully. I have helped clients to sell their digital products. And so today I want to help you. And so if you're ready to learn the step-by-step process of creating your ebook, then stick around because I'll be jumping into it right now. Okay, now there are generally 5 different steps that you need to follow in order to create a super profitable ebook. Now, step number 1, contrary to popular belief, isn't to get a good idea. Instead, you first need to focus on getting the right tech setup. In other words, you need to make sure that you're using really good tools that can do the job for you so that whenever someone purchases your product, it'll automatically deliver it to them. And so you aren't left having to manually send an ebook every time someone buys it. Now, for me personally, I love using a tool called system.io. It's an all-in-one marketing platform that I personally use to sell my own ebooks, my own courses, my own templates, etc. And it is absolutely phenomenal because with this all-in-one marketing tool, it doesn't only allow you to actually sell your products, but it also allows you to send emails to your email subscribers. It allows you to have your own website, write blogs. It allows you to have sales pages, everything you could possibly need in order to run a successful online business. Now, this tool is also super affordable. In fact, you can start out for free. And so I've linked it down below in the description if you want to give this tool a try. You will also need a couple of additional tools to actually create and sell your ebook. And so these include a professional email. So you need a professional email so you can send the ebook to a buyer once they purchase it. And then you also need a designer tool like Canva where you can actually go ahead and design your ebook. And lastly, you will need a hosting platform like Google Drive or Dropbox where you can actually host your ebook and then have a link that you can share with your buyers. Now, if this seems a bit confusing to you, don't worry. I've actually created a super affordable mini course called the Mini Digital Product Kit. And so this mini course shows you the step-by-step process of setting up all of this tech. Literally, I show you all of the tutorials. I give you templates. I give you everything you need in order to set everything up so that you can create and sell your own ebook super successfully without the tech overwhelm. And so I'm going to link it in the description so you can go and check it out to see if this is something that you may need for yourself. Now we get to the exciting step, which is step 2, and that is to come up with your ebook idea. Now, this is the step where a lot of people typically get stuck because they want to create an ebook, but they have no idea what they can actually create the ebook about. Does this sound familiar? Is this where you also get stuck? Well, there is one golden rule when it comes to creating a profitable ebook. And that is that you should never create an ebook based on what you want to create. Instead, you need to create an ebook that people actually need. And so what I mean by this is you need to look for an ebook topic that people are actively searching for and want to buy. Now, the way that I do this, and this is actually a shortcut that you can use, is I use AI to help me brainstorm ideas. Now, from there, I then go ahead and I go onto platforms like YouTube, Amazon, Udemy, etc. And I go and look at the topics to see if those topics have a lot of reviews, if people are actively purchasing those kinds of ebooks, and so on. Because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that an ebook has demand before you put all of that effort into creating it. Ultimately, you want to look for an ebook topic that has high search volume because that typically means it has high demand. Now, inside the Mini Digital Product Kit, I also give you my specialized AI prompt that's going to help you come up with amazing ebook ideas that will sell like hotcakes, okay? And then on top of that, I show you how to validate your idea. So how to go and do that research to figure out if people actually want this product. And so again, if this is something you're interested in, then the link is in the description. Now we get to step 3, which is to create your ebook. So in step 2, you went ahead, you came up with a brilliant idea for your ebook, and now it's time to bring that idea to life. Now, ebooks are really great to sell as a first digital product because they are super simple to create, they're easy to write, they are less overwhelming than any other type of digital product. But I usually see a couple of mistakes that people make when they create their ebooks. So the first thing that I typically see is that people tend to create ebooks that are just pages and pages of written text. Now, the thing with that is that if you are going to create an entire booklet to read, like let's say, for example, 50 plus pages, then the chances are that people aren't going to read through the entire thing, especially if it's just blocks of text with no images, nothing else to keep people intrigued. Now, instead, what I like to do is I like to create ebooks that are short and sweet and that also implement other types of elements, such as I include video tutorials inside my ebooks. I also include links to templates and other resources that people can download. And so I'll actually show you an example now on screen of one of my ebooks. And I'm going to show you when I click on some of the buttons, you'll see that videos actually open up that people can go and watch to further explain certain concepts that I give inside the ebook. Now, you can do the same with your ebook. Let's say, for example, you really want to create an ebook that talks about low effort exercises for women who are pregnant. Now, let's say the ebook includes 15 exercises. You write down the text that has step-by-step instructions of the actual exercises. You can then go ahead and embed a short video for each one of those exercises to make it even more valuable. Plus, you could go ahead and include a template of an exercise routine that people can then access with the ebook as well. And so as you can see, instead of just having an ebook with just blocks of text that is super boring and that people aren't going to get through, you are now creating a very valuable resource that people will go through and love. This is also going to make it so much easier for you to get testimonials from your customers so you can put them on your sales pages and make more sales. Now we get to step 4, and that is to automate your delivery. A lot of beginners get stuck at this step because they do not have a clue as to how to deliver the ebook automatically when someone purchases it. Because let's be real, you don't want to have to manually send an ebook when someone purchases it, because you may just as well be sleeping or you may be away with your family, and now you see someone purchase it, you have to act quickly to send it to someone, and you just don't want to live like that, right? Instead, you want the tool to do the heavy lifting for you and to send that ebook to someone as soon as they buy it. The good news is that a tool like System.io that I mentioned earlier will do this for you if you set it up right. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead and upload your ebook to Google Drive or Dropbox so that you have a shareable link. From there, you're going to head over to System and you're going to go to your sales page automations where you'll be able to automatically send an email to someone as soon as they buy your ebook. The email can say something like, hey, I'm so proud of you. You just purchased this ebook and here's the link. You can download it right away, right? So you're going to make it a bit more pretty than that, but that's the gist of it. You're just going to simply write an email where you're going to link the ebook, and so they'll be able to download it immediately after purchasing it. Now, if you want this to take minutes instead of hours, then remember to go and check out the mini digital product kit. I've literally spent thousands in order to learn about all of these automations and how to create all of these products and so on. And I give you everything inside this mini digital product kit for a no-brainer cost. So please go and check it out if you want to save yourself a bunch of time and frustration. Now we get to step 5, which is to market your ebook. So at this point, you've created your ebook, you've automated it, Now it's time to actually promote it to people. There are so many different ways that you can sell your ebook. So there are tons of marketing strategies that you can use. But in my personal opinion, my favorite strategies come down to 3 different strategies. The first one is YouTube. So this platform that I'm on right now has been the single platform that has helped me make the most sales of my digital products. Plus, it's also helped my clients make a bunch of sales with their mini digital products as well. You could go ahead and create videos surrounding the topic of your ebook and then mention the ebook inside those videos so that you can get people to actually purchase it from you. Now, the second marketing strategy that I love using is email marketing. The great thing is that you can use YouTube and email marketing together to get people onto your email list, and then you can sell to them inside your emails. So essentially how this is going to work is you're going to create a YouTube video. You're going to give them something for free inside your video, so a free resource that they can download in exchange for their email address. And then from there, once you have them on your email list, you can promote your ebook to them inside your weekly emails. The third marketing strategy that works really well is ads. Now, more specifically, Facebook ads. The reason I really enjoy Facebook ads is because it takes away a lot of the pressure from you to constantly be creating content in order to promote your ebook. Instead, you can pay money to get people onto your email list, and then you can sell to them in your email list as well. Or you can directly sell to them through your ads by directing them to your actual ebook immediately. Now, I do recommend that you maybe start out with the organic method first. So try to get a couple of people to purchase your ebook organically, so without paying first, just so that you can make sure that people are actually interested in the product. And then once you verify that, yes, people are super interested in this product, then you can go ahead and start paying money to get more traffic to your product. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need to be a tech guru. You don't need any complicated funnels. You just need a simple system for selling your own digital products. And so if you are ready to jump headfirst into the system, then remember to go and check out the mini digital product kit. It's going to give you the shortcut to everything so you can actually create your product in just 7 days. It's a super amazing course, if I must say so myself, and I know you're going to find tons of value from it. Now, if you aren't ready to actually pay for something yet, and you just want to see the overarching process that you'll need to follow in order to create a product fast, then I also have a free 7-day digital product checklist that you can also download in the description below. And so inside this checklist, I show you the daily actions that you'll need to take in order to create and launch a digital product effectively. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment the type of ebook that you're planning on creating. I'd love to hear from you and chat with you inside the comments. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.